What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be going over Siacoin. What is Siacoin? Siacoin is basically the cryptocurrency used on the Sia network, and the Sia network is a decentralized cloud platform. But before we get into that, guys, really quick, let's take a look at the markets. Bitcoin at 11,964, and let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin really quick, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin's been consolidating here for a while. Looks like we made a high of 11,895, came down to 10,619, and then back up to 11,864, and now we're just kind of consolidating. But one thing to keep in mind, guys, is earlier today, Bitcoin futures making, this was released earlier today, sorry. Bitcoin futures make way for a new kind of whale. And I'm not going to read it, but really quick, we're just going to read this little first paragraph. For Bitcoin traders, all eyes should be on December 10th and December 18th. That's when former self-styled Bitcoin whales will be swallowed up like plankton as the CBOE and the CME group launch Bitcoin futures contracts for the first time in history. So I am expecting price to probably consolidate until then, and then possibly break towards the upside. But let's go ahead and go back to the markets. Ethereum up 0.5%, Bitcoin Cash down 1%, IOTA up 30%. What a monster. This thing is coming for Ethereum. I just feel like it. Look at that. It already replaced Ripple. IOTA is at number 4 now at $3.71. That's ridiculous. Wow. Litecoin down 0.30. Or I'm not sorry. Dash down 0.30. Litecoin up almost 1%. Bitcoin Gold down almost 5%. Monero up 25%. Nice. Look at that. 257. Cardano down almost 6%, Ethereum Classic up almost 2%, NAM up almost 9%, Lumen's up 31%, nice. BitConnect up 2%, List up 12%. So it looks like an okay day. Stratus up almost 5%, Waves almost 15%, Mona up 71%, nice. So let's go ahead and look at Litecoin really quick, see how you're behaving. Looks like we broke out. We have some nice, looks like we found support here, pretty solid support here at 79 to 84, as you can look at, or you can tell by these daily wicks right here. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Since then, we've been kind of consolidating. I'm still waiting for a breakout on this. If we take a look at the weekly, it looks like we still need to fill this wick up here. So I'm expecting at least a push up to 107, probably by the end of the weekend. But let's go ahead and head over to our coin of the day, Siacoin. Let's go ahead. So Siacoin currently, what's that? 10. Less than a penny, down 7%. Actually, let's give this a refresh. Maybe this has changed. Yeah, it's still the same. Actually, it's getting worse. Even better, you know. Buy it at a discount. Market cap 303 million. Today's volume 24 million. Circulating supply 31 billion. So overall, pretty high circulating supply. That's why I've been kind of avoiding this one. But let's see, where can we get some Siacoin? Bittrex, Poloniex, Bittrex, HitBTC. So not a lot of exchanges yet. Hopefully, once that does get added to other exchanges, price will take off. So, like I said earlier, Siacoin Sia Network is basically the decentralized cloud platform, as it says here, your decentralized cloud backend. Welcome to a new era of cloud storage on the blockchain. Siacoin is the cryptocurrency used for the Sia platform. Let's go ahead and just go through the website, and I'll show you at the bottom of the page what I'm talking about. Completely private. Sia splits apart, encrypts, and distributes your files across a decentralized network. Since you hold the keys, you own your own data. No outside company can access or control your files, unlike traditional cloud storage providers. Far more affordable, Sia's decentralized cloud is on average 10 times less expensive than current cloud storage providers. Storing 1 terabyte of Sia costs about $2 per month compared to $23 on Amazon S3. Wow. Calculate your savings below, and that's what I'm talking about right there. Highly redundant. Sia stores tiny pieces of your files on dozens of nodes across the globe. This eliminates any single point of failure and ensures highest point uptime on par with other cloud storage providers. Open source. Sia is completely open source. Over a dozen individuals have contributed to Sia software, and there is an active community building innovative applications on top of Sia's API. So calculate your savings. So, for example, we're going to do 5 terabytes. So the monthly cost on the Sia network would be $10, Amazon $115, Google Cloud $100, Microsoft Azure $120. That's a pretty dramatic difference. And if you go ahead and compare the bandwidth cost, Sia network would be $5, Amazon $460, Google Cloud $550, and Microsoft Azure $435. And again, that's a pretty dramatic difference. So that's why I kind of, you know what, maybe I should give this coin a chance. But let's go ahead and take a look at their price action really quick. So actually, let me show you on the weekly really quick. So since we've been added to, this is the Bittrex exchange. It's been in a free fall, straight towards the downside. Um, I don't think we can go too much lower. Our all-time low is 41. That's pretty low. But let's go ahead and go back to the daily, and let me show you guys what I'm seeing here. So we were stuck in a nice little bearish parallel channel. Um, yeah, I know it looks like we did break out, but this was a false breakout. Remember, all these lines are subjective. If I really wanted to, I guess I could move this a little bit more. But it's still poking out. But remember, these lines are subjective, so always just trust your analysis. And I trust my analysis. So it looks like we were stuck in a bearish parallel channel. Came up, like down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Looks like we finally broke out of that channel, and then we came back down to test, and we've been kind of stuck in this nice little box right here. We're stuck in this nice little box. Let me go ahead and change the color for you. Oh, it might be a little too dark. There you go. Let me go ahead and change that back. Sorry. Sorry. I'm pretty sure I have OCD, so I gotta put this back. There we go. Alright, sorry about that. Anyway, so we were stuck in this nice little consolidation box. We finally broke out, and it looks like we just came down to test earlier today. So I am expecting this to break towards the upside. To the minimum, at least up here to the 113 level. But I do expect this to bounce more towards 220, probably in the next, I'd say, week or so. Some potential long-term take profits. Let me go ahead and zoom out here a bit. Would be here around 400, 600, and 850. I don't expect those to happen further into 2018. However, the ones I am currently watching right now are the 400 and the 200. I feel like these are very doable within the next couple of months, certainly, or next couple of weeks, certainly within the next couple of months. And I'm actually looking to acquire some Siacoin after this video. Looks like we've broke out, and this is our bounce, and we're definitely going to see it continue up towards 200. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what kind of coins you guys are trying to see down below. I know you guys like the technical analysis, but if you guys want to see anything else, let me know. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.